become an integral part of modern society. It plays a big role in our life today. It provides a platform for self-expression and communication. We must look at both the positive and negative impacts of social media in society. We can access any type of information we want today with the help of this social media. Social media is the main reason for accidentally depression. So many apps are there in social media. Disadvantages: LinkedIn, WhatsApp, YouTube, Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook, Telegram.
My name is Geetika. I am from 6th class. Today my topic name is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform for professional networking. As a 2003, the platform has more than 250 million members in more than 200 countries, territories worldwide. In 2023, India was most followed as state with 6.7 followers. LinkedIn has several disadvantages, including privacy concerns, the prevalence of spam, the fake profile, potential for time-consuming updates, and the premium. Thank you.
Right. ఈ బాబు సిహెచ్ పవన్ లక్ష్మీపురం ప్రణన్న, గీతిక ఫ్రమ్ శాంతినగర్. ఇద్దరు కలిపి సోషల్ మీడియా వాడడం వల్ల ఎన్ని బ్యాడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ వీడు చెప్పాడు. లింక్డ్ఇన్ అని వన్ ఆఫ్ ద సోషల్ మీడియా వింగ్ ఆ పాప చెప్పింది. గీతిక వెరీ గుడ్, చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు. నెక్స్ట్ పావని ఫ్రమ్ రామచంద్రగుండ. కమన్.
My name is Pavani. I am studying 6th class in RMK English Medium High School. Today my topic name is Instagram. Instagram is a popular photo and video sharing platform launched in October 2010. As of January 2003, India had around 22.9 crore Instagram users. The world's largest Instagram well popular platform has volatile downsides include privacy concerns, mental health impacts, education, and the spread of misinformation.
Very good.
Thank you.
Right, next. Power next ma. Lakshmi Shudha from Sukupalli. Kannana. What is it?
My name is P. Lakshmi Shudha. I am 6th class. Disadvantages of WhatsApp. WhatsApp has several disadvantages, including privacy concerns due to data collection practices, depends on internet, potential for spam and scams, and the blending of. Additionally, professionally, the requirement to share phone numbers limited, the mental potential for mental health issues. Drawbacks are also drawbacks. Telegram has several disadvantages, including privacy concerns, the fact that secret chats are the only fully end-to-end this encrypted option. Also, the platform has low IP addresses, shares to user data, and has limitations in its moderation and support. Thank you.
Very good. WhatsApp to Telegram rendu cheppinamma. Claps all once. Lakshmi Shudha from Sukupalli. Cheppina.
My name is Shali. I am studying 6th class in RMK English Medium High School. I am telling about disadvantages of Snapchat. Snapchat was first released on July.
Andaru ade chustaru Snapchat.
Mainly known as Snapchat. Its logo is a white ghost called ghost face. Chilla as of October 2023, the longest streak was of 2,390 days. Snapchat, while popular, has disadvantages including privacy concerns to the possibility of screenshot, the possibility for sharing inappropriate contact due to disappearing message, and the risk of exposure to contact. Thank you.
Good. Baja Pama. Excellent. Snapchat guరించి చెప్పిన పాప షాలిని ఫ్రమ్ పిరమిడ్పాడు.
My name is YouTube is a popular online media platform. It was originally launched as a website in February 2005. In October 2006, Google purchased YouTube. As of September 2023, YouTube has more than 2.7 billion active users. YouTube, while a powerful platform, has disadvantages including the misinformation, privacy concerns, potential for cyberbullying, and the risk of
and the risk of YouTube while a powerful. Thank you.
YouTube గురించి చెప్పండి. నెక్స్ట్